The airbag recall is real, as exploding airbags will hurt you more than you can imagine. Most manufacturers, along with Ford dealers, have the parts in stock now and trained staff to fix the problems that will take your car off the recall list. Mustang owners in general have not been responding to the recall notices, so they are not getting their airbags fixed. Concerned that there will be damage to their Mustangs or prized parts will be removed from their Mustangs and not replaced. We heard from the Ford Motor Company representatives at the recent American Muscle Car Show in Pennsylvania how simple the approved repair is and how it will not affect those signed parts. And more importantly, Ford technicians are completely trained in this repair and how not to damage anything while doing it. Plus, this is a covered repair and no cost to you, the Mustang owner.
Side, on the steering column, there's two panels that will get popped out, 2 bolts that get undone. The entire horn assembly comes out. 4 nuts get undone. The old one goes out, new one looks identical to that. New one gets put back in. 4 bolts. Slip back in, tighten, finished.
Go to FordAirbagInfo.com to put in your vehicle identification number and see if your Mustang or other Ford vehicle is affected by the recall. And then set up an appointment to get your vehicle taken off of the recall list.
So you were saying that you're worried that people would scratch the vehicle. Where are they most worried about that?
Well, they're worried if there's a signature here that they would lose a signature. This does not get replaced. Only the canister gets replaced. The passenger side, the glove box is going to open. 2 bolts here. They're going to reach up, push the entire unit out, lay this surface on a clean area.
Once again,
undo these 4 nuts.
Burnout competition, opening ceremony parade, or the dyno. Please report to behind the main stage.
Remove
now.
this bracket.
Once again, if you are
This entire unit slides out.
Burnout.
That's the faulty one.
Parade or dyno. Please
You're going to take a brand new one,
now. Thank you.
which you can tell is quite a bit different. We'll put the caps on. Slide the new one in. New wiring harness. New bracket. 4 bolts. And it's done.
We use the images from a 2019 Ford Mustang Bullitt that is not affected. Do not waste sleepless nights worrying that your Mustang is under a recall. Make an appointment with your Ford dealer to have your Mustang's airbags repaired, which will take it off the national recall list.